This time we're supposed to find the second derivative of the quotient. Please keep in mind that anytime we do derivative of the quotient, we're supposed to keep in mind that numerator we call u and the denominator is v. Okay, so simply write that u is equal 1 plus x, derivative of u is equal 1. V is equal 1 minus x, so v prime is equal negative 1. So derivative of this function is y prime is equal v squared in the denominator, so if 1 minus x to the second power. In the numerator we have v first, so if 1 minus x times the derivative of u times 1 minus u, which is 1 plus x times the derivative of v, which is equal negative 1. Okay, this is equal 1 minus x, and because I have negative times negative, I'm going to have positive sign over here, right? Negative times negative gives me positive. I'm going to simply copy down the content of these parentheses. So I have plus 1 plus x over 1 minus x to the second power. I'm copying this down. This is equal. We have negative x and positive x. They are going to subtract each other. 1 plus 1 is equal 2. So I have 2 over 1 minus x to the second power. And this is the first derivative of the given function. Next, we're supposed to find the second derivative. So I have to find the derivative of the first derivative. Again, this is going to be my u, and this is my v. So I have u is equal to u prime is equal 0, because derivative of constant is equal 0. V is equal 1 minus x to the second power. V prime is equal to 1 minus x times negative 1, which is equal negative 2, okay, because positive 2 times negative 1 gave me negative 2, and I have 1 minus x. Next, I'm supposed to use again the formula for the derivative of the quotient. So I have second derivative is equal, again, v. V is 1 minus x to the second power, and we're supposed to raise this one more time to the second power. Next, we're supposed to write v. V is 1 minus x to the second power times u prime, which is equal 0, minus u 2 v prime negative 2 1 minus x. This is equal 0 times anything gives me 0, so I have 0, don't write it. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives me positive 4, so I have 4 1 minus x over, multiply two exponents, so I'm going to have 1 minus x to the fourth power. Now we're supposed to realize that we can reduce the numerator and denominator, so I'm going to cancel out 1 minus x, and this is going to be cube. So I'm going to have 4 over 1 minus x to the third power. And this is the second derivative of the given function, which is basically the solution to this problem.